back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Hey party people, how y'all doing? This is a garden update, and you're staring at a wild rosemary. Go figure, I'm growing wild rosemary, and it's staying alive and attempting to get bigger. Yes, I have tried to find some edible rosemary, but no luck yet. Hopefully soon. Why is it toilet paper in my plant? Anyway, gotta get that out. But that's my rosemary. Oh, update on the spider plants. They love their water and their shade and stuff. They doing all right. Looks so nice, but I do need to situate these things. I keep saying that I ain't did nothing yet. One day soon, one day soon. Surprise myself, come out here and straighten this shit up. And these down here, spider plants were dying. As soon as I revived them with water, they turned back a beautiful green color. My elephant plants. And I guess, oh, that's my watch chain. It's starting to fill in. But I also got a small garden shopping haul. I gotta take me some of these rosettes out of here. They're all beautiful green. I'm gonna do that. Hello, welcome back party people. And today I'm sharing with you a small garden shopping haul. As you can see, I have a new watering can. It's by somebody called Southern Patio, and it's a 1.5 gallon sprinkler nozzle, or you can remove it, watering can. I love it. And also in green, I love the color too. Got it from Home Depot, so that's if y'all interested in a water can for a reasonable price if they still have them. I don't know if this was a clearance or not. Oh, because it was under $5. And when I searched on Amazon, they had these watering cans at a very expensive price. So I'm glad I checked out Home Depot. Shout out to Home Depot. Haha. Anyway. Also, I got some liquid fish fertilizer. All-purpose fish fertilizer. And it says you can use this. Use it all year. Great for all plants. Keyword, all plants. That's what it says. So this is a brand that I haven't used before. I used that other one in that white bottle. But anyway, this stuff is not cheap. I know that much, but I like to use it. And it's not as smelly as the other one either. So I guess I'll be using this one more often. I'll be using this one more, or preferably I would prefer to use this one than the other one. It stinks. The other one smells so bad. And I hope that helps somebody that wanted to know if they had one out there that wasn't so smelly. The brand, can you see the brand right there? Okay, look that up, y'all. Also, I got a bag of Miracle Grow Cactus Palm Citrus Potting Mix, fast draining formula for my succulent plants. And this is my haul. This is the brand I usually buy, but I have bought another brand. It was a much bigger bag. I'm out of dirt. I'm out of soil, excuse me. And so far this is the, let me see, I think this is 8 quart bag. Yep. About big as a biscuit pan, or should I say a sheet cake pan, the medium sized one. If y'all are familiar with the 8 quart bag of Miracle Pro, leave it in the comments. And also I'm going to share with you guys update on some of the plants that I repotted and show you how they perked up. And also, so hold on y'all. Okay guys, I have repotted also my pothos plant, devil's ivy, so forth and so forth. It is a propagated plant cuttings. This is a cutting that I propagated from my coffee ground grew pothos plant. And this is how big I let it get before I put it in some dirt, some soil. And also I got some rosettas sitting up in here. That's what I'm calling them. It's about 5-6 of them in there. Let them grow. A companion plant, but it's all right in this soil because this plant, you don't really need to water it that much. It'll do all right. It's a great surviving plant. As long as you water it at the rate it needs to be watered, this pothos plant does fine. So that's one of the plants I wanted to share with you guys. And also I wanted to show you how nice the prayer plant had perked up since I repotted it a previous video ago. Yeah, excuse me guys, trying to move it over. So yeah, there's my frog back there. And also I want to show you guys how nice my Mother's Day plant perked up, and it's getting some new leaves on it. So it's liking its new home. I'm happy about that. Thank you, plant, for liking your new home, Calicola. Y'all remember this is the Calicola. Excuse me, my hand is in the way. I better not break Mr. Frog. There she go. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she beautiful? And also, this plant here, this tree. Let me move over here. I know I got the camera in the odd direction. But this plant here, this tree, see the leaves, if I have expert or very knowledgeable plant moms or dads, if you can remind me what is the name of this tree. It's palmish looking, but it's not a palm tree. I can't remember. Please remind me. And I just set a rosette in there. I'm about to give it a little water. But yeah, this is what I'm sharing with you guys today. A little garden update. Let me give you a view like this. From this view, can you tell? Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed my gardening update slash gardening, small gardening haul with my lovely watering cans, some plant soil, and plant food. A new fish fertilizer that's not so freaking smelly. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let you go. Hope you enjoy your day. And I wish some of y'all was over here to help me straighten up my balcony. Oh, you got 500 grandkids. I wish they was out here to help me straighten up my balcony. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna say goodbye. And did I say welcome back all my subscribers and any visitors? Thank you for supporting this channel and watching these videos. And if you're learning anything, I am happy to share whatever little things I'm sharing with you that are great tips or helpful. I'm glad I could do it. Okay, all right, so if I didn't say everything in this video, remember y'all, there's always another video. Chat with you later. Thanks for returning to watch another episode about my balcony garden. I hope that you enjoyed and were inspired to garden.